show you guys 3 easy steps of how to apply these I Just Woke Up magnetic eyelashes. First step is I like to apply 1 coat of mascara. It helps the eyelashes have the magnets have something to grip onto. You can still wear them without mascara, it still works. I'm gonna put a couple of pictures on here of me with the lashes on without any makeup on, and so I mean it still works, it's totally doable, but for me personally I do like to apply 1 coat of mascara, so here we go. Step 1. Alright, so here's the star of the show, the I Just Woke Up This Way Lashed Magnetic Eyelashes. They are style, so they're not as thick as some of the other ones that LASH'D Up has put out, and they are a little bit shorter too, so they're a really natural looking lash. It just has the 2 magnets, one on each edge of it. So let me just take it apart here and you guys can see. Here's how the eyelashes break up. Alright, so here is what I like to do. I like to put the eyelash all the way out to my outer corner. I don't know if my eyelashes are just a little bit, or my eyes might be a little bit longer this way, but they don't ever come all the way into the corner like this. So I'd rather have the fullness out here. And I think it's really going to depend on your eye shape. So just kind of lay it on there and see how it looks and what's going to look best. So I just got it laying on the eyelash, so I'm just going to take one of the little magnet pieces, right? And all you have to do is just make sure it's pushed up all the way against your eyelid. And then click. It's on there. Sorry, my camera's all over the place. I need an extra hand. So I just make sure it's up against my eyelid. And then just hold the magnet up and it will do the rest of the job for you. So it doesn't need to be hard. You don't need to try and put extra effort into it. Just let the magnet do its job. Lay it on there, put the magnet up towards where it would sit, and then voila, that baby is on. Like, they are so easy to apply. So I'll give you some pictures at the end as a close-up so that you can see me with both eyelashes on. Alright ladies, so these are the lashes. This is with both of them on and only with 1 coat of mascara. I would recommend that you do not put mascara on the magnetic eyelashes. They won't last as long and you really don't need it. They really fill out your eyelashes and they lengthen them and they feel great on. Like, it doesn't feel heavy on my eye or anything. They're super easy to apply and it's just been so fun to have them. And they really do make me feel like I can just wake up and look this beautiful. And so maybe that's why LASH'D Up named them that. But thank you, LASH'D Up. Thanks for helping me feel beautiful.